the Samsung has risen the Galaxy Fold from the dead. Something I knew was going to happen, but I didn't think it was going to happen this soon. But it looks like the Galaxy Fold is back from the dead. That may be the best or the worst thing that could happen to Samsung, but it needed to happen. Why? Here's why.
Get lost, get faded, get high off the love we're making. Go home and just late night. I'd do anything to feel alright.
Hey, what is up everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. And I just filmed this episode twice. So guys, I was filming this episode and some idiot called me and it cut the camera off. So now I gotta do this over. Welcome back everybody. Let's do this fast. I'm gonna do this quick. I'm only gonna focus on 3 stories today. I had so much more planned up, but because of time, I'm gonna trim it. So the big first story is the Samsung Galaxy Fold. It is finally back from the dead. Samsung can finally get the Fold right. Now, if you don't know, they came out and said that the Fold is going to be released in September. We don't know exactly when, but they explained what they've done differently and effectively to make this unit more, I guess you could say, work better. They now have a new protector on the front to help prevent the screen from falling apart, which again, do not pull that tab. And also, they have a new hinge to help support with the folding, also retaining the nice shape. And on top of that, it has a slimmer bezel to help assist with the display. And also some other cool things. But the main thing is that Samsung finally did it. Now, the way I look at this is 2 things. One, this is not going to be successful for Samsung because first of all, this is going to be hard. This is going to be rough because you spent so much money for 10 years trying to make this product. You were about to release it, and then as soon as you had it right, these problems then you had to take it back, spend more time and money, and then now you're back at it, and you still price it at $1,900.80 or $1,980, but still, I don't think that should have been the price point because again, they're not going to make their money back on this device. There's no way they're going to make money on this. It's barely going to be enough. And to me, I feel that honestly the Fold is just really there for Samsung's reputation because they needed to do this. They needed to push this product out. You could ask me why, and it's simple. Reputation, and it just needed to happen. They don't need any more disasters. This product needed to become released. I think that they will show this off at Galaxy's Unpacked 2019 or just Unpacked. I think they'll talk about it, but they really won't stress it as much. So yeah, definitely be on the look for that. So that's the Galaxy Fold coming back. Story number 2 is the T-Mobile and Sprint merger. It is finally going to happen. Dish has agreed to become the 4th carrier in the nation, and now we can finally see T-Mobile and Sprint merging. Honestly, I've been following this merger since last year, following when they said they were going to announce the merger and all the hiccups and stuff. It was really cool. Sorry about that, guys. Duty calls. Just want to fix that. And perfect. Alright, so where was I? Oh yeah, so T-Mobile merger. I was all for the merger. I've said this since day one. Sprint was failing. They were pretty much down the hill. And then T-Mobile came in to bail them out. But then the DOJ had to step in, and the FCC, and it went from taking 4 mergers, and basically it turned into chaos. What was supposed to be T-Mobile buying out one, making through 2 companies one, turned into 2 companies becoming one, and then you make a 4th carrier. To me, it made no sense because again, Verizon and AT&T are the 2 biggest national ones, and T-Mobile and Sprint are generally small in the area. Although T-Mobile is significantly growing, it still isn't a contender for Verizon and AT&T. So this merger would have helped them not only with the 5G technical aspect, but in growth to competing against Verizon and AT&T. But because of this 4th carrier creation, it makes so much more confusion and chaos. And honestly, I really don't give a crap. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. I'm happy that this merger is finally happening. And honestly, it was well needed. So props to that. And last story up of the day is, of course, we're going to end with another Samsung story, but something you guys definitely should be aware of. So, if you guys don't know, the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus have been talking about, people have been raving about it, and we got some more rumors and even more. Again, I still stand on what I say. I'm not talking about the event, but I'm talking about the rumors On Leaks has leaked on Twitter some more rumors, even though there are significantly similar, the new specs. So in terms of the fast charging, it'll take a 25 watt fast charging along with 15 watts of power share and 20 watts of fast wireless charging. I think it was 45, I may be mistaken. That's probably for the bigger model. I don't have the actual tweets with me on hand, but you can look them up yourselves. I'll leave a link in the description. And if this is true, that the wireless charging is now up to 20 watts, OnePlus, you better not make no more fucking excuses as to why you can't put wireless charging in your phone. The only excuse you have left is, too much money. And if you really guys are interested, look up how much a cheap coil costs and how much it costs to manufacture to put into a smartphone. It's literally not that much money. So OnePlus, learn from Samsung, take the fast wireless charging, put it in your phone so we don't have to hear any more about this BS of no wireless charging, no this, no that. So OnePlus, get your fucking head out your ass, look at the Note 10, and get the fast wireless charging. It's already bad enough we're on bad ground since you lied to me, but I don't give a shit. That's just who I am. I may not like you as a company, but I may like your products, so still, get your shit together and make fast wireless charging available on the OnePlus 7T. Because the OnePlus 7's dash charging takes 30 watts, we're at 20 watts with fast wireless charging. We're 10 watts away from 30, so get it together. And that's gonna do it for Technoid. So guys, I'm a little short on this video because I filmed it before, but then somebody called me, so it cut everything I had said. So I trimmed the stories down. That is gonna do it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Please let me know your thoughts down below about the Galaxy Fold, the Note 10, and of course also what we talked about the T-Mobile and Sprint merger. If you like the video, hit a like button. If you dislike the video, hit the dislike button. As always, thank you to my loyal subscribers, and peace.